And tell us why your hat doesn't have a tail.
My hat doesn't have a tail because I don't like tails. But still, it's good.
We're neutralizing our traps because we put vinegar in them.
Are you neutralizing the traps?
Yep.
Because why?
Because we put vinegar on them, so now we're washing them.
Alrighty.
Did they fall off?
Hey.
Can you help him get that one up there? Did you want to neutralize the trap, Lincoln?
I can't touch
Alright, I bet Papa will let you touch
There's
them.
also made
You
good
wanna do it?
towels.
All you do is you go put it in the vinegar. You want to do that?
And after we're gonna make
do
some
that?
hot dogs.
Yeah. Yes, I know.
Nice little snacks.
Want me to help you get one? Caleb, can you help Lincoln do a trap? Yeah. Lincoln, get one.
All of these are already done. Plus it's done.
Ready?
Those two left.
Grab that. Walk over. Do that again. Okay? You getting it all clean? What are you doing to it?
Diane, he can go in there.
You're mixing it?
Let him go in.
Oh, he's coming, but it's hot still. You coming too? What are we doing to the trap?
Don't touch.
What are we doing to the trap? Are we cleaning it? It's in the water?
And then after
All
we're
right,
gonna
let's
wax
go
them.
hang it up.
Yeah.
Come on, Mommy. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Was I in the picture now?
Yes.
Somebody left theirs in there.
Okay. Come on. All right, you did a good. That's okay. We'll get you a belt. All right.
Alright, kill him. Hang these
A
up.
real belt.
Can you hang these up?
Okay, hung up
Come
after.
sit with me. Come on. There's one more on there. Yep.
Well, your hands can't go in that water. It's hot.
Here, kill him. Hang this one.
Medicine. I'll be right back, okay?
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go throw some more wood into the fire. My hat doesn't have a tail because I don't like tails. But still, it's good.
This is logwood trap. This is logwood trap dye. We're gonna pour it in here slowly.
Fire? Stay on the fire.
Just turn it back suddenly.
Maybe trying to run away again.
And then we get a stirring stick and we stir it. It's like cement.
All the way. I pulled it all the way past this rock here, which is behind the tree that you can see. Then I pushed it all the way back here, which is about 10 feet.
What would you like to say about that?
I'm an East Grand Woodsman! This is East Grand's Josh. That's the canoe. Then I'm gonna look past that rock. 3, 2, 1, pull! As you can see, I'm actually pulling it. That's the challenge. I moved it. Now I have to push it back.
This summer.
Everything's expensive these days.
Because he did figure out how to turn it on.
I guess you should have said hi, Papa.
I think I did.
Wait, you turned it on? Hey guys, this is East Grand Woodsman. Alright, Kel. Now I'll record you. Alright, Kel, I'll record you.
Okay, that's all connected to a hot.